So yesterday I barely moved in. No, actually 2 days ago I barely moved in to my house and had to move all this stuff. Anyways, so I let my young brother come and party and stuff like that with him and his buddies, and his buddies are hella cool. One of the things I asked them to do was to put power to my refrigerator that I needed power for, that I unplugged, so the coolant and stuff would be all good again. Let's see if they actually do that though. Actually, let's see how good of a job they did cleaning up. Yeah, all my junk is everywhere. Okay, that's all right. Bud Light, everything in there. Honestly, it would have been better in a bag. Man, how much? Oh, so much stuff I got to clean still. Oh yeah, some kicking bag. I mean, punching bag, whatever. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this refrigerator is plugged in. What do you know? It's not cold. Dun dun dun. Bro, you didn't plug it in, man. You didn't plug it in, Steven. Alright. Let's see if it works. Doesn't seem to work. What? Wow. So, not only was it not plugged in over there, but it wasn't plugged in over there too. What? Nah, man. Well, I guess that's what I'm gonna do right now. Damn, I need to take a shower. Alright, deuces.